Okay. Ready to walk? I'm doing a YouTube video. You don't want to say anything. This is the man right here. See our shadows. We just had a delicious dinner from, what's it called? Blue Parrot? Blue Parrot here on St. George Island in Florida, of course. And we had a couple drinks, which are, if you do have a libation every now and then. Whew, really good. I had 2, that's all I need. So we take a nice little stroll on the beach after everything is gluttoned upon. I had the fish tacos. What'd you have? He had the cheeseburger. Hello, baby. Hi. So yeah, invite y'all on the little journey of an afternoon after dinner stroll on the island on a Sunday with a tipsy Aunt Ninny. Okay, make good choices. Bye y'all.